loves, good morning. How you all doing? Welcome to a new vlog. So today I have a couple of errands to run today. You guys, I don't even want to raise my hand because under there is not looking nice. So I want to go for waxing today, and then after waxing I want to get a massage, then my facials. This vlog is basically going to be maintenance vlog. So yeah, welcome to maintenance routine vlog. So yeah, I'm not sure I'll be able to do everything I want to do today because I wanted to do my nails as well. For my nails is I don't want to be fixing my nails anymore. I want to be doing the easy vibe nails or something. So I don't know if it will be possible for me to do it today. But yeah, if I can, I will. If I cannot, that means I will go back next time for it. All the things I want to do, I'm doing it in different places. So yeah, it's not going to be easy for me to get on with here, drive to the other place and all that. But for my massage and waxing, same place, facials, not same place, but somewhere close to the place. So yeah, and this is what we're looking like. I'm wearing this two-piece I got from, what's their name, Trio something on Instagram. Very beautiful. I just wanted something free, just that the back is really open and I'm not comfortable with it. Reason why I'm wearing this long hair today. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. I'm carrying this black bag, wearing my slide outside, and yeah, that's it. So for perfume, I'll be using this. This is not actually perfume. This is like a body mist, but it smells so fresh, like over freshness. Well, so I'm going to be using this YSL. I'm just gonna finish it up with this one. I love smelling good. It's good business. Yeah. So yeah, let's go. I'm running late. My facial appointment is for 1 p.m. but I didn't book appointment for my massage. So if I get there, if they have space, I will do. If they don't, I will go. I'll go away for my facial. So yeah, that is it. Let's go.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off. Pretty brown girl, her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make her better. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make her better way. Better way.
So even though we're not injecting, the same one injected to your skin. We're not injecting.
I'm in dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud?
It's just easy to extract
Lyrics to your like the sound.
all you be feeling is the vibration.
Seeking approval constantly.
Dimension will just
When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump my bad. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make her better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make her better
welcome back to this vlog. How you all doing? I didn't talk to you guys again after I finished my facials. Okay, I couldn't do my massage and waxing that day I went out, so I didn't book for appointment for my waxing and massage that day. So when I got there, see that I leave those things. So when I got there, they said there was no space. Me, I was thinking, I think that day was on Thursday. I was thinking since it's on Thursday, that there will be space. That since it's on Thursday, there will be space for me to just go in, walk in, and do my what's it called, my massage and waxing. But it wasn't so. No space, so I had to go for my facial. So before I finish facials, I'm going facials. Where I do my facials is my friend's place. So before we finish gisting, started facials, I created content for her and all that. It was late, so I couldn't go back. Today is Sunday. I'm going for the house photo shoot. See, this photo shoot just came up impromptu. Like, I don't know why, if it gets to the store, I don't get ready for this. And I feel so bad. Okay, her birthday is next week, Friday. Only for me to check. The only time I have to do her photo shoot is yesterday and today. And I just remember today. I checked yesterday. So I have to like quickly book for appointment for our photo shoot today. So that's why it's like that. Thank God we have outfit already. Like, I have an outfit she can wear already. So yeah, that's where we are going to for the photo shoot. Then I'm going to get her party pack birthday, because she's doing her birthday this year in school. Today I leave my perfume. Come out from there. Because she's doing her birthday in school this year. Our first birthday in school. Like, she's doing her second year birthday, but it's going to be in school, right? So yeah, I'm going. Let's go for our photo shoot. I'm going to carry you guys along.
In trances, going off to different places, different planets. But your aura passed me by, using balance. What if we were out of time and second chances?
We're done with our photo shoot. It didn't even take us, like, they are really cooperated. They are really cooperated. She really surprised me. It didn't even take us 15 minutes. It didn't even take us 15 minutes and we were done. She tried. Although she wasn't smiling. Daya doesn't like smiling. What do you want? Daya doesn't like smiling though, but aside her not smiling, she really cooperated. She stayed. If they asked her to cross her leg, she would cross her leg. If they asked her to put her hand here, she would just be doing what they asked her to do. But for smiling, she did not smile. But it's all good. Walk down where I used to buy boba tea. I had to walk down. It's not far from here, so I had to like walk down to go and buy boba tea that we're going to take. Honestly, I'm tired. This walk here, I need to start exercising. Imagine just small distance that I walked. I'm breathing like this, panting like this. Anyways, see your body. Ouch, scratch him sit there. Yeah. This people's pizza is expensive. See, the pizza is very small. It's not bad anyways. I don't know. It's tasting me like something that has crayfish in it. Or maybe there's something. I don't know. Huh? There's this spices they added that is tasting like crayfish. I'll see you guys later. Hi my loves, how you all doing? I'm blessed. Like I said, the heat in this country, oh Jesus, the heat. I just came out from the bathroom, but the way I'm feeling hot there. Anyways, and although my inverter is on, but I don't have I only have this small fan here, and my mic is not here, so it's going to disturb me if I'm talking to you. This vlog I thought was going to be like a maintenance vlog. It's as if it's going somewhere else. Yesterday, now I've carried you guys to go for baby Daya's photo shoot. It just turned into another direction. But anyway, it's good. I've not even gone for my massage again, my nails, my hair. There's this hair I ordered for. They are yet to bring it. I want to do like a sewing, so they're yet to bring the hair. So I don't want to like go do my nails, and because any day I'm going for my massage and waxing, I want to do my nails at one place. So I don't want to go out and then come back. Next time I'll go back for my nails again, right? So I'm just waiting for them to bring my hair, so that I'll do everything around. Everything will be new hair, new waxing, new everything. You get right? That's why I've not gone out to do my nails. But anyway, today is Monday, and we went for baby Daya's photo shoot yesterday. So today I want to kind of cook, not really cook. I think I'm making 2 or 3 soups. Okay, I'm making 3 soups. The onubu soup, the onubu, what's it called? This thing, I'll divide it into 2, put oha in one, and put onubu in one. Common sense. Sense. Put oha in one, then I'll make obona and okra soup. I just want to stock up the house because I am renovating my kitchen. When I mean renovating, I am pulling down everything in that kitchen. Everything, down to the wall tiles, the floor tiles, cabin, everything in my kitchen. I'm pulling it down. I've been in that kitchen for like 9 years now, if not 10 years already. I'm going to 10 years. And I've not really done like a major renovation since then. I've been using same thing, cabinet, I think sink. Have I changed sink? I can't really remember again. I don't know if I've changed sink or something, but I've been using that kitchen entirely. The only thing I did was the store side. I turned it into like pantry, my favorite place. So yeah, but now I really want to like put down everything from beginning to the end. So I want to start. I want to renovate my house entirely, but I'm starting with my kitchen. Yeah, that's why I want to like cook the things we'll be eating, so it will be easier for us to like just warm up instead of cooking from scratch, at least for 2 weeks. Before the one I make will finish, I'll see how far they will go with the work, right? So yeah, I want to see if I'll gonna start cooking and juicing at once. So I'll just carry you guys along as much as I can. That's what I want to do today. That's why I'm telling you guys that this vlog is going to another dimension. It's diverted from maintenance vlog to kind of stress vlog. Meanwhile, my face is beginning to peel. Today is Monday. I just came out from the shower. I've not even applied cream on my body. Like, the way everywhere is hot there. I've not applied cream on my body, but this is how it's looking. This is how it's looking. I've not done my skincare, nothing, just my plain face. I just allowed them. I don't even clean my face. I just allowed my face to air dry. So yeah, that's just it. I'll talk to you guys later. Let's go cook.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been.
Hey guys, I'm done cooking. Here's my ogbono soup. Ogbono and okra. Here's my bitter leaf. And here's my oha. Toodles.
You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving.
You guys, I just finished juicing. This is where's my phone? Let me check the time. This is 9:50. This is 9:55, and I just finished juicing. Yeah, I'm so tired. Right, that juicing thing, you'll be thinking it's easy. But like a simple thing, you just put juice. It's not really at all. Yeah, I'm done with it. The one I like most, I like the color of this mango juice. This is mango. Oluma is making noise here. This is mango, mango, pineapple, and ginger, and then orange. That's clementine. So I really love the color, and it tastes really nice. I added enough ginger. Like a lot of ginger, because see, you know the way mango is now. It might be feeling kind of slimy, and like the feeling might not be nice. So I tried to add enough ginger to just help with that, and it came out really nice. I love it. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow.
We take the love that we make, it's my favorite drug.